Everyone, welcome back to the IT and Psychology YouTube channel. Today we are going to be continuing with the second chapter of Information Technology for the 12th grade science stream. Here we had continued for the first part with on-page SEO, off-page SEO, white hat SEO, black hat SEO, and we had learned a few keywords for SEO and ways to optimizing our website. So here we continue with our fourth pointer for our keywords for our this website. SEO, social media optimization, SMO. It deals with enhancing the website's ranking using interactive communities like Facebook, Twitter, blogs, forums, and so on. When these communities have links to the created website, it builds familiarity and trust about the website. तो यहाँ पे हम जब हम सोशल मीडिया का यूज करते हैं हमारी वेबसाइट का ग्रोथ करवाने के लिए हम उसके लिंक्स फॉर्म करके शेयर करते हैं हमारे फेसबुक पेज पे, हमारे ट्विटर पे और हमारे बहुत सारे जो सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं उन पे। SEO backlinks, fifth point. Backlinks are links on one website that, when clicked, take the user to another website. Backlinks are especially valuable for SEO because they contribute to the overall strength and value of the content. They also represent a vote of confidence from one website to another. In short, backlinks to your website are a signal to search engines that others are interested to know about the contents from your website. Sixth, other factors for SEO. Speed of the website. While creating a website, attention is given on the design, content, and as many visuals as possible. However, all but this can slow down the website and obstruct usability. Mobile friendly. Websites' mobile friendliness has become a ranking factor for Google. Hence, it is very important to ensure that the created website is mobile friendly for maximum exposure to improve the website's ranking. Here we come to did you do you know in Google Chrome you can check if your site is mobile friendly by right clicking anywhere on the page and clicking inspect. There is an icon at the left of elements called toggle device toolbar which changes the page to mobile mode when clicked. Here we continue to creating robots.txt. This file tells search engine which page you want to exclude from indexing. For example, if you do not want a certain page or image being indexed, then you can restrict that page from being indexed. 2.5 SEO audit. An SEO audit helps to find out what could be done to improve ranking on search engines so that consumers could find the website with greater ease. It it analyzes the website's health. Examples: SEO Meter, SEO Optimizer are few free SEO audit tools available on the net. SEO Optimer is a free SEO audit tool that will perform a detailed SEO analysis. It provides clear and actionable recommendations that can be taken to improve your online presence. हम यहाँ SEO में ये सीखते हैं कि हमारे पास बहुत सारे फ्री वाले भी SEO ऑडिट टूल्स अवेलेबल है नेट पे। यहाँ SEO मेटर है, SEO ऑप्टिमर है। ये सब आपके वेबसाइट्स को कैसे और एनहांस आपका जो क्वालिटी कैसे और हम लोग कर सकते हैं, बढ़ा सकते हैं क्वालिटी को, वो सिखाता है हमें। तो आप प्लीज इनको चेकआउट कीजिए, आपके वेबसाइट्स में इनका यूज कीजिए। ये आपको बताएगा कि आपको क्या क्या इनमें आपको क्या क्या बढ़ाना है क्वालिटी अपने वेबसाइट्स में। Here we continue to the homepage of SEO Optimer, the search bar in SEO audit tools. These are important screenshots. Please pay attention and try these for yourselves. Please download these if you have a website of your own to enhance the quality and the content and make the experience for the user of your website better. Here we continue to audit results of SEO Optimizer will have following details. Overall ranking of the website, recommendations for improvements, search engine optimization, usability of the website, performance of the website, social links, connected social accounts, security parameters, SSL enabled. This is secure socket layer. This is a very important criteria for your website. Here then we continue to HTTPS redirect. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. This is HTTP plus SSL in one go. HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. This gives us email privacy as well. Header content recommendations, title and metadata description, body content, header tags, body content recommendations, keyword consistency, amount of content in the web pages, links, number of backlinks, broken links, friendly links on page links, technology list which is used in the website. Did you know crawling is a process by which search engines, crawler, spiders, bots scan a website and collect details about each page? That includes the titles of the web page, images, keywords, and other linked pages, etc. Organic search results are the listings on a search engine results SERP that appear because of factors such as relevance to the search term and valid search engine optimization SEO efforts rather than because of search engine marketing or trickery. Here we continue to the summary of our chapter. Please go through this to have a proper overview. And if this is not sufficient, please go through the chapters. Please watch the first video so that you can get a clear revision of what I had taught in the first part. Please go through it. Do not skip the parts as every word of this is important. Here we continue to the exercise. The video for the exercise will be coming shortly by day after tomorrow or tomorrow at the best. So stay tuned. It's been lovely to have you as an audience. Thank you for watching. Take care. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please share this with all of your friends because IT is a subject that rarely is being taught by any of the teachers online. And colleges also have not been started. So this will be a tool for your colleagues to study through and get a prep for what they are going to study in colleges around, let me guess, when the colleges will start by October, or people who are staying in remote areas need source. Please help them. And follow me on Patreon to support my channel. And thank you for watching. The video for the reduced portion will be coming by tomorrow. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. You've been a lovely audience.